Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda. Hey, we're taking a look at the Healthy Smiles Mobile Dental Lab. So this mobile dental lab reaches out to underprivileged and low-income families to help get their dental work done, and we're happy to help them get this trailer remodeled and ready to get back out on the road. So you can see that we've redone the ceiling, lighting, all new walls, and we've just completed the floor, getting ready to reinstall the dental chairs. So just come take a look around. We've rewired and replumbed as well. We're getting ready to install all the dental chairs again and then do the final finish wiring, get this thing cleaned up, finishing up the outside, wrap it up, finish up the electrical work, and get it back out on the road. This was an older unit that's been on the road for about 20 years, so it was ready for a refresh, and we were happy to help. So if you've got any commercial mobile units that you'd like help with, we'd be happy to help you here at OCRV in Yorba Linda.